Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to view and reply to reviews from platforms like Google, TripAdvisor, right from your Bookingjini channel manager. Let's get started. First, log into your Bookingjini channel manager. On the left-hand side menu, click on Reviews. In the top right section, you'll see tabs. Select the right tab to view reviews from the platforms integrated with your system. Now you'll see the list of reviews. To reply to a review, simply click the View Reply button next to it. Here's the exciting part. You can generate a reply using AI. Just click on the Generate Reply with AI button, and an auto-generated response will appear in the comment box. If you're happy with the reply, just click Reply to post it, and that's it. You've now successfully replied to a review directly from your channel manager, quickly and effortlessly. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here for you. Don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.